Most traders pick the wrong broker and wonder why they're still blowing accounts. Today, I'm actually going to show you the top 3 Forex brokers that are built for traders in 2025. You ever deposit $200 and then realize the spreads are eating you alive? Let's fix that. Here are 3 Forex brokers that actually help traders grow and not drain them. Broker number 1, GatesFX. What's solid about GatesFX? Okay, they have tight spreads on US 30, NAS100, and gold. It's built for scalpers and high-frequency traders, transparent payouts, and fast withdrawals. They use TradeLocker as a platform. So if you guys want a little bit of testimony to this, okay, I've been trading in the TWS Trade with Solo community for a little bit over a year now, and I've witnessed him do this multiple times using this platform to hit 1,000+ lots monthly. So if you scalp indices or gold, okay, GatesFX is the broker for you. Broker number 2, okay, HeroFX. Why is HeroFX solid? Okay, so they have simple setups, okay? This is a great platform for beginners. They offer both standard and raw accounts. They have smooth funding via card, crypto, etc. And something that I love the most is they have a huge community behind them, and that gives source to reliability, right? So if you're still new to day trading but still want to feel in control, okay, HeroFX is definitely the broker for you. Broker number 3, okay, Blueberry Markets. So why does Blueberry Markets stand out? Okay, so one, they're regulated, okay, so licensed ASIC, which just means it's a safer option. They have excellent customer support. It's great for long-term traders and swing trader setups. So if regulation and trust matters most to you, okay, Blueberry Markets is definitely the broker for you and the way to go. The truth is, the broker you choose decides whether you lose or win before you even enter a trade. And that's the thing that most day traders need to understand. That's why at forexproprank, we break down each broker's performance, regulation, and trader reviews. So you can compare which one fits your strategy the most, okay? Don't just guess, compare and win.